shot. Lastimosa also known to score those clutch three-pointers. And as Ed Dixon said, Purefoot still not in the penalty. Can't afford to foul. Castello, three-pointer.
Good shot by Loic Castello to tie the ball game with 5.9 seconds remaining. Pinakawala nila si Merwin Castello.
And when Abarientos made that turnaround, he invited the defense to come towards him.
Nakikita po ninyo si Sean Chambers. If you just tuned in, Chambers fouled out of the ball game here in the fourth period. Lamang ng dalawang Purefoods with 10 seconds to go. Osan Rosella at the line.
This could be the icing on the cake for the hot dogs.
Hey! Hindi pumasok ang una. Hindi pa po tapos ang basketball.
Oh, and Derek Gervin telling Olsen Rosella, okay lang, just make sure you make the second one. Len!
What was expected to be a ho-hum game has turned out to be a very exciting one. 3-point lead para sa Purefoods. 82 is the count. At meron timeout na tinawag si Coach Tim Cone. Playoff na rin ito. Purefoods versus Alaska. No bearing game po ito mga kaibigan. Pasok ng Alaska. Ang Purefoods naman ay eliminated na. Pero the way they're playing, talaga naman tuwan-tuwa ang mga tao dito sa Araneta Coliseum. 10 seconds to go. Purefoods with a 3-point lead. Nasa Alaska ang bola. At wala pa sa penalty ang Purefoods.
Well, this is a big test of Alaska's ability to execute. Roel Gomez has checked in. You know why he's there for a three-point shot. Lastimosa also known to score those clutch three-pointers. And as Ed Dixon said, Purefoot still not in the penalty. Can't afford to foul. Castello, three-pointer.
Good shot by Loic Castello to tie the ball game with 5.9 seconds remaining. Pinakawala nila si Merwin Castello. And we have this timeout by Purefoods. Tignan niyo po mga kaibigan nangyari. So 5 seconds there na ginamit ng Alaska Milk. They were behind by 3. And Merwin Castello got off a clear shot. And ties the ball game.
Yes, in that situation, Derek Gervin was not available for defense because he tried to gamble for a steal. Yeah. And of course, Purefoods had a foul to give, actually still 2 fouls to give. Did not give up the foul, and Castello was in the clear for a three-pointer. Of course, yung depensa rin ng Purefoods was concentrating on Lastimosa and Roel Gomez.
Oo. Yun ang mga designated hitter eh. Pero ito si Merwin Castello, may kamay din dito sa labas at pinakita po niya ron. We still have a shade under 6 seconds remaining. Enough time for the Purefoods TJ Hot Dogs to bail themselves out of this. Pero asahan po ninyo na aanghangan ng Alaska ang depensa.
Well, remember, Alaska now in the penalty cannot afford to foul. And certainly Coach Tim Cone will not want to lose this game at the stripe on a foul here with 5.9 seconds to go.
Wala pang penalty Alaska.
Wala pa.
Penalty na.
Penalty.
Oo.
Penalty.
Ito si Capasso, running shot, hindi pumasok. Looks like we're going to overtime. Papasok po tayo into a 5-minute extension period. The score at regulation, 85 all. We'll be right back.